Hello and welcome back. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And hi if you're new here. Valentine's Day is coming up, so I thought of doing an easy, no foundation, natural, dewy makeup. Don't mind my hair. Actually, I just came out of the shower. They're still pretty wet. But don't worry, they will be just fine. Let's get started without further ado. For starters, what I'm going to do is I'll just take this section of my hair, clip it for some sort of volume, and also so they stay out of my face. I'll just use this Mars lip oil to prep my lips. Just like that. As you can see, I'm already done with my skin prep. So we'll just start off with the primer. All part links will be in the description down below, so you don't have to worry about that. Using the Maybelline's Dewy Primer. Next, I'm gonna use an orange corrector, the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, just on the places where I've used my color corrector, just like that. Fill up my brows real quickly with a very light hand. I have pretty non-existent eyebrows, so I'll just quickly brush these two as I go. I think these look pretty good. Now that my eyebrows are done, I'll just quickly blend the concealer that I have on my under my eyes first. Just tapping motions. You don't want to sweep because that will just affect the coverage of the concealer. This brush is from Mars, by the way. It's a really good brush. An additional step would be I just like to brighten the under eyes. Now, blush is a very important part of this routine because we want to look glowy, fresh. I'll just take a kabuki brush and I'll just quickly blend it. Pro tip, always blend your blush first and then your concealer because it sort of blends and creates an ombre effect. So that's pretty good. If you do have any sort of pigmentation around your eyelid, especially on your eyelid, I would suggest to, work with it rather than against it. Even though I do have texture, my skin looks pretty nice. So, this is real makeup, you guys. This is real makeup. What you see on social media is unfortunately not real. Most of it, at least. Moving on, we're just going to quickly set our under eyes with some sort of powder because, of course, if it's a long date that you're going on, you don't want your makeup to get messy. Using a powder puff goes with the theme. You just quickly take some sort of loose powder, dab off the excess, and just go in. I just use what was left over on this and I just dabbed it on my forehead and areas where I don't want it to get very shiny. Baking just under my eye for that pop of brightness. For eyes, we're keeping it very simple. We're just going to take this light pink shade and just use it all over our eyes for that base transition color. Very lightly go in circular motions. Not much, but a very clear difference. Can you see just a light pink wash of color on the eyelid? If you want to deepen this a bit, you can take your powder blushes. I have these in 3 shades. Tap off the excess and just go around your outer corner. See? Cute. Next up, you're just going to quickly tightline the upper waterline. Can you see the difference it makes? Just a little bit of kajal in the upper waterline makes so much difference. The other eye, I'll do that off camera. I'll just show you how I set it so that it doesn't come on the lower waterline. I'll just take a very small brush just like that. The darkest available eyeshadow. Currently it's brown, so I'll just use that. I'm too lazy to pick up another eyeshadow palette. Now that I'm done with both of my eyes, I'll just finish this off really quickly because light is going. Taking an eyelash curler. My new purchase. It's the Colossal Bubble Mascara. Reinforcing the blush. Do you see, even though I've applied powder blush, the radiance and the glow is still there. Now you need a fluffy brush just like that to dust off the bake and the excess powder. Even if you don't bake, that's fine. And whatever is left on the brush, we'll just use it to clean up the excess blush. Now we're only left with lips and the setting spray. So starting off with the lips first, I'll just quickly outline. I can't talk as I do this. What a lip combo! And then we'll just finish this off with the Rare Beauty lip oil. Oh my god! Lovely. Look at the lip combo, guys. Please give me a fucking break. Before I open my hair, we'll just quickly use some sort of setting spray. So, do you think I need to get that fan? Going ahead and finishing this off with a hair serum. I do have wavy hair, so I like to scrunch as I apply my hair serum. This is pretty much it, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.